Uh. Oh. Whoa! What the hell? No! Wait! Hell nah! No! Hell no! Yo, no! No! Hell no! No! I didn't know it was. I swear to God, I swear to God, no crosses count. No crosses count. I did not know. Yo, stop calling me that. I did not know that this female right here. Shut the fuck up. I did not know that this female. You know what? All right. Yo. No, this is weird. I can't do this. Pet me? Like, I mean, bro, like, do I pet her? Like. You like that? Oh, you hungry? Okay, you hungry. Okay. Yo. Ugh! You dirty ass bitch! God damn! What is that? Ew! Ew, come on now. You gotta take care of yourself. Yo, how did she get this dirty that quick, bro? Go. I'm such a good father. Name your kitten. I'm gonna name her Diamond. We gonna name her Diamond, chat. We gonna name her Diamond, nigga. Chat, we gonna name her Diamond, alright? Her name's gonna be Diamond. Alright, man. Welcome to my chat. Chat, this is... Come on, y'all. Stop your chat. Stop your word, y'all. This is my daughter named Diamond, man. Welcome to my... I can't hear you. Oh, hell no. Don't tell me she about to start that shit. Install? No. Like, does she grow up? Okay, bro. I don't know what to do with this little girl. Like, do I just, like... Like, she's a little girl. Like, what the fuck? Like, how does... This is just weird. This is... Shut up! You like that? You like that? It's okay. I'm always be here for you. I'm daddy. Yep, daddy's always gonna be here. Yes. Keep going. Yes, I know. Tell me all your thoughts. Tell me all your problems. I'm always gonna be here. Alright. See. Oh, I can do your makeup? Oh my gosh. Daddy's little girl. Look at Daddy's little girl. Go. Oh, look at Daddy's little girl. She looks so... Oh, look at you. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Say thank you, Daddy.
Thank you, Daddy.
Daddy, I would do anything for you in the whole entire world. You are my life and saver. Love you, Daddy.
Anything for you in the whole entire world. You are my life and saver. Love you.
Oh, this is so good.
Oh, this is so good.
Oh my gosh.
Gosh.
Hold on, wait.
We knew like comfort and fit are things which we cannot compromise. It is mainly materials and how issues design.
Yo, like these ads, like bro, these ads are just like fucking like, holy shit. How do I click out of this ad, bro? Like, why does this game has fucking ads, bro? Why does a fucking mobile app has ads, bro? Like, seriously, bro. How you cancel off this shit? Close. The fuck out of here. You sleepy? You sleepy?
You sleepy?
Oh. Chat, y'all being...
Oh.
Chat, yeah. Chat's being weird. Chat being weird right now. Chat being
weird. Chat being weird right now.
Y'all making it... Yo, tell these guys. Hold on, wait.
Tell these guys. Hold on, wait.
Speed is my father. He's nothing
Speed is my father.
Yo, oh my god, will she let me fucking talk, bro? God damn.
Oh my god, will she let me fucking talk, bro? God damn.
Yo, y'all being weird, bro. This is my fucking daughter, bro. God damn. Yeah, bro, like y'all not
being weird, bro. This is my fucking daughter, bro.
Y'all not about to tell me how to raise my fucking daughter, bro. What the fuck is wrong with y'all, dog? This is my fucking daughter. Don't try to fucking tell me how to raise my fucking daughter. This is my fucking daughter, bro. That's very disrespectful coming from y'all tugs, bro. Fuck is you talking about?
Bro, what the fuck is wrong with y'all, dog? This is my fucking daughter. Don't
fuck is wrong with you, dog?
Tell me how to raise my fucking daughter.
Yeah, bro.
This is my fucking daughter.
Exactly, bro.
That's very disrespectful coming from y'all tugs, bro.
Yes, bro. Alright, bye.
Alright, bye.
Love you. Love you too, Daddy.
Love you too, Daddy.
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 See, bro, calm down, bro. She's straight. She's straight, bro. Yo, how do she, bro? I wanted to grow up, though. No. Don't do that. No. No, how does she grow up, bro? This is no. How does she grow up, bro? Grow up, bro. No. What the fuck? Oh! God! How does she grow up? How do I make her grow up? I probably gotta watch an ad. Yo, Chad, how does she grow up, yo? Hey, yo, Chad, how does she grow up?
Okay, how does she grow up, yo?
How do I make her grow up? I gotta level up. My fucking how do I skip levels in this shit? Cause this is weird as shit, bro. Like I'm about to go back on talking time, bro. Cause like I don't want to talk to a little ass girl, bro. Like real shit.
Time, bro, cause I don't want to talk to a little ass girl, bro.
Oh God, bro. Like this is like, bro. This is a little ass fucking girl, bro. Feed her, bro. She won't grow up at all. Like this bitch. Like look, go drink. Come on. Hold on. Like, Chad, this is a little ass girl, y'all. I can't, Chad, I can't. The level is whoa, nah, bro. I'm getting off this shit. This shit is weird. Seriously.
I wonder if your brain is just as
what's the time? I'm gonna have to go back on time, bro.
Not even my dog.
Cause Tom is actually like a grown man. This is a little ass girl.
Anyone would be this dumb to create such a monstrosity.
Bro, somebody said you do it on Omegle. Yo, I don't talk to fucking babies. Asshole. I don't want this reward. Come on, I know where they really gave me this reward. Grow up. Grow up. Hey, you got a fucking problem? Fuck, nigga? What? Alright, man, let me go to Tom, bro. Let me go to Tom. I don't want to... You know what, chat?
Alright, man, let me go to Tom, bro. Let me go to Tom. I don't want to, you know...
Yeah. Yo, chat, let me go to Tom, y'all. Because, chat, look, I'm about to go to Tom, y'all. I don't want her to copy me, so I'm going to talk very low. We about to go to Tom, okay, y'all? So let's go to Tom, bro. We're about to get up out of here and go to Tom, okay, chat? Let's go to Tom, bro. Alright, bye-bye!
Bye-bye!
Say bye, chat! Yo, chat, she said bye, yo. Say bye back. Come on, y'all. Come on, y'all. Say bye back, y'all. Don't be an asshole, y'all. Say bye back, y'all.
Come on, y'all. Say bye back, y'all. Don't be an asshole, y'all. Say bye back, y'all.
Say bye back. Say bye.
Bye back. Say bye.
Nice of y'all. Thank y'all, bro. Thank y'all for saying bye to this pretty young lady right here.
Nice of y'all. Thank y'all, bro. Thank y'all for saying bye to this pretty young lady right here.
Alright, man. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.